In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the email tied to your Zoho account so you can sign in and receive notifications at your new address without losing access along the way. Start by opening a browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Sign in if you're prompted. It's best to do this on a desktop with a stable connection so screens and options load clearly. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right for your profile icon. It may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that to open the account menu. From this menu, choose My Account. This takes you out of the inbox and into your Zoho account dashboard, where you manage personal details, security, and the email addresses linked to your profile. On the account page, find and open the profile section. This is where your basic information lives and where you can manage how Zoho contacts you. Inside Profile, locate the email address area. You'll see the email addresses currently associated with your account. This is the list we're going to update. Click Add Email Address. A field will appear for you to enter the new address you want to use. Take a moment to type it carefully and double check for typos. Mistakes here can delay verification or lock you out of important notices. After you've entered the new email, click Add. Zoho will send a verification message to the new address. Open that inbox in a separate tab or device, look for the message from Zoho, and complete the verification using the link or code provided. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure you entered the address correctly. Verification is essential before you remove the old address. When the new address shows as verified in your Zoho account, return to the email address list and remove your old email. Zoho may ask you to confirm the deletion. If your old address was the primary one, Zoho may automatically switch the new verified address to primary or prompt you to confirm that change during removal. Keep in mind that removing an unverified old address can cause issues, so always verify first. Also, if you use two-factor authentication or app-specific passwords, ensure you still have access to your devices before finalizing the change. That's it. You've added your new email and removed the old one, ensuring your Zoho account is up to date and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to verify that new address right away to keep everything running smoothly.